What's going on YouTube, Nathanlr right here. In today's video I have some great news about the Nathanlr Jailbreak that has been updated and is now completely open source. Now this jailbreak, or semi-jailbreak if you want, is for iOS 16.5.1 all the way up to iOS 16.6.1, versions that are not normally supported by Dopamine, at least not on the newer modern devices. So if you have one of those devices, you can jailbreak with this. Now this is very similar to Serotonin plus RootHide Bootstrap, which I talked about a couple of months ago, but this one essentially combines the two into one single application so that you don't have to install Serotonin, RootHide Bootstrap and stuff like that. It's just better because it's in one application. So it's now completely open source if you want to take a look at it. Also, there have been a lot of updates. This should fix a lot of things. For example, we have this update over here a couple of days ago. Quote, please try app injection on the latest version of Nathanlr app. It should be a lot more successful. So you should be able to have tweaks in applications much quicker and much better than previously. And then we also have this one over here. I fixed the speak function in the edit menu. Please update system files to get the fix. Now there seem to be a lot of updates to the Nathanlr Jailbreak or semi-jailbreak. So you should definitely go ahead, update system files if you can, and also get the latest version of the jailbreak. But since now it's open source, anybody can contribute to it and, make it better. If you want to build it yourself, there is a build.sh script over here. So this should work on all devices, including the A12, A13, A14, stuff like that. So even your iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all should be supported. And definitely check out the updates. There have been a lot of them, making the tool much more stable than it was initially. Thank you for watching. I am Nathanlr. Till the next time, peace out.